Bend tube with Arma software. This is a metal rack that we used at our shop for holding tube. Each tube is made with the arc tube object. Select a tube and click on the bend marker. If you have a tube notcher with an engraver, it will add markers for the bend alignment and start location. If you don't have an engraver, you can use the plasma torch to create a pierce marker where the tube is to be aligned and positioned for bending. You can use our CNC tube bender, or you can use a manual bender with PDF documents for instructions. Tubes that are symmetrical, you can use the mirror plane tool. Click on the icon from the left toolbar. Click on the scene 2 points that span the center point that you want to mirror the tube on. Add the mirror plane object to the tube that you want to apply. Now when you modify the tube, it will replicate the changes. Generate the G-code to cut and bend. Click on the cam. Enter the details of your bender. Generate PDFs. Click on the Generate G-code button. Print off PDF instructions for bending the tubes manually.